Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to download a folder from your Google Drive. So make sure you are signed up in your Google account. Go over to my drive right here. Let's say I want to download this folder, and I will go over, right click it and press download. Now it will zip your file and prepare for download, and you can see when it downloads it will show you where you want it to be stored. So let's say I will have it in my documents, press save, or you can name it right here, then press save, Finder, and right now find it in your documents. As you can see, here it is, but remember it is zipped. You have to double click it to unzip it. Then here is your folder. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.